about math that's hiding in plain sight. Math that's hiding in plain sight is about noticing and delighting in the math that emerges through child's play. Today, I'm shooting from, well, right in front of my kids' fort that they built. And that has a lot of great math. But what I really want to share with you is some videos that are actually a couple years old. Yesterday, when my son and I went for a walk together, I realized it had been a long time since it had just been the two of us out walking. And it reminded me of these lovely videos we did a couple years ago. He talks about counting, he talks about geometry, and he shows us some great spatial relations. So check it out.
A square has 4 corners that match and 4 sides like this that match. Okay, these are 6 little squares. This is how to equal a cube.
I love Magna-Tiles. Magna-Tiles are one of our all-time favorite math toys, and we have had them for almost 9 years now, our first set for about 9 years, and we constantly add pieces to them because they're just played with on a daily basis in many different ways, primarily imaginative ways, but also what's hiding in there is some awesome math, and I'm a big math nerd. So I'm wondering, what cool things have your kids been making with Magna-Tiles? That's it for today. I would like to leave you with this invitation. The next time your kids build something, like a little Magna-Tile cube for their Lego dolls or their Octonaut figures or their My Little Ponies to fly away in, take a moment to notice it and delight in how awesome it is, including the math that they do. Bye. See you next time.